Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change debit card for Apple Pay Cash Instant Transfer. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to actually withdraw money from their Apple Wallet into their debit card. So in order to do this, make sure to follow this video step by step in order to learn how to change debit card for Apple Pay Cash Instant Transfer. So what we're going to do first is go onto our Apple Wallet. So I just looked up my Apple Wallet here. Now, once you reach this page, you're actually going to need to make sure that your debit card is added to your Apple Wallet. So that's an entirely different video itself, but just to do it really quickly, you're just going to click on this plus icon and then click on debit or credit card. And then from here, you're just going to follow the prompts to actually add a debit card to your Apple Wallet. So go ahead and follow the prompts to actually do that. Now we're going to go ahead and go back, and now what we're going to do is actually demonstrate how to actually transfer or change debit card for Apple Pay Cash Instant Transfer. So let's go into our Apple Cash, and then from here you're just going to withdraw as normal. So you're going to click on the three dots on the upper right hand side and then click on transfer to bank. Here you're going to input the amount that you want to transfer. So for example, we're just going to transfer $1 and then click on next. Now from here, what we're going to do is do instant transfer or a regular free 1 to 3 business days. So we're going to do 1 to 3 business days for free. Or no, we're actually going to do Cash App card with the 0.25 fee. Don't worry about the fee for now. This is just for demonstration purposes. Then you're going to click on next. Now this is the most important part, okay? So this is where you're actually going to change the card that you're using for the debit card. So in order to change the card, what you're going to do is click on this Cash App card. As you can see, my Cash App card is currently connected. So go ahead and click on the Cash App card. And so from here, this is where you're going to see your debit card that you just connected. So if you haven't connected a debit card just yet, you're just going to click on add payment method. And then you're going to follow the prompts to actually add your debit card here. So once you actually add a debit card, it should appear under the section that says select how you want to pay. So just go ahead and actually select that debit card. And then afterwards, you should be good to go. So you want to make sure that you actually reach this window right here in order to change debit card for Apple Pay Cash Instant Transfer. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.